When you picture romance, you might think of unexpected flowers, a personalized love letter, or the classic candlelit dinner. But what does a man think is romantic? Do men and women agree on what a truly romantic experience is? If we look at the popular internet forum reddit.com, we'll see a comment from a man mentioning a romantic gesture by a woman, and nearly 5,000 other men agreed with him. He said, "One time, I told a girl I liked red plum jelly, and the next time I stayed over, she had red plum jelly in the fridge." Now I can see you eye rolling through the screen, but don't worry, men do go deeper than this. Men have a primal need for romantic experiences just like women, and if you know exactly what to do to give him these experiences, he'll be completely head over heels for you. In this video, I'm going to share the top 3 romantic experiences men desire. I'm Jason Silver, the dating coach for ambitious women. On this channel, Attract Great Guys, we show you exactly what men are thinking and how you can attract and build commitment with a really great high-quality man. If you like this video, hit the red subscribe button and that little notification bell to make sure that you're notified of all of our upcoming videos. Now let's jump into the first romantic experience that men desire. Number 1, being seduced by feminine charm. Sure, men appreciate looking at supermodels on TV, but we don't think of this as romantic. True, raw femininity is what takes us from thinking that you're attractive to thinking that you're the love of our life, the one woman that we want to provide and protect. This raw femininity presents itself in many different ways. It's up to you to tap into your female energy and display it in your own unique way. The more you can display your own authentic feminine energy, the more powerfully you can magnetize the men who are a great fit for you and repel the men who are not. Femininity is personal to you. It doesn't mean you have to wear a dress and high heels if that's not how you feel your best. In fact, powerful feminine energy often breaks stereotypes and opens the door to a new, powerful way of living life and expressing yourself on your terms. This energy of being comfortable in your own skin is absolutely magnetizing to men. Sure, looking at a Victoria's Secret model wearing lingerie, that's attractive. But seeing you in lingerie with your own unique body, personality, and confidence is more romantic. The more unique and personal you're able to express yourself, the more you'll be able to attract men who are a good fit for you and repel those who are not. And this is called the power of polarity. Since man leaves the womb, he's constantly in search for a strong feminine energy to balance his masculine. But since his masculinity is unique to him, he's in search of a specific femininity that complements his specific masculinity. When the right man sees you showing off your unique feminine charm, he'll feel a magnetic pull towards you and know that this is exactly what he needs for the rest of his life. Number 2, create meaningful moments. Life's most impactful experiences often happen in the tiniest of moments. With just a little focus and creating intention, you can make any moment more meaningful. A meaningful moment is simply an experience that you can remember forever, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant it was at the time. Creating a meaningful moment, it's simple to do, yet can be powerfully romantic. You don't have to learn how to sing like a Disney princess or take your heels off and go dancing in the rain. And that might be fun to watch on TV, but you have the ability to create meaningful romantic moments with your man every single day. One way to create a meaningful moment is to experience beauty together. Climbing to the top of a beautiful mountain view, watching the sunset over the ocean, looking up at the stars, or even just beautiful, unexpected moments are all romantic experiences that will stay in your minds forever. Aesthetic beauty creates a sense of awe and wonder that can pull a man's thoughts away from his rational world and into this dream world with you. This ethereal feeling is exactly the kind of romance that men dream about. The next meaningful moment is what I like to call freezing in time. This means taking a small, almost insignificant moment and turning it into something incredibly meaningful because you are sharing the moment together. In an instant, the world disappears and you both are focused on each other. In this brief moment, you are his world and he is yours. In a way, this reminds me of the Reddit post I mentioned earlier. She remembered he liked red plum jelly. And in that moment, when he opened her fridge and he saw the jelly, he felt seen and heard. Truly high-value men appreciate that more than you know. In fact, to men, true love, it's not experienced with a passionate kiss, on a special vacation, or even on your wedding day. True love is experienced when the two of you are thinking of each other at the same time. A Romanian photographer did an excellent job of capturing this kind of intimate romance by taking these pictures of real couples simply enjoying each other's company. You can make this happen by using focus, focusing only on him and your relationship for even just a few moments. Like all that matters to you in that moment is him. It's that simple, just give him your complete attention. Sometimes it's as easy as just caring. When you can make a man feel like he's the center of your world without distractions, without your phone or the show you're watching on Netflix, he'll know that he's a priority in your life and will cherish these moments forever. The third way you can create a meaningful moment is by sharing an experience that's new and novel for both of you. When you try new things together, it makes him feel like you're his partner in crime, like you can be there with him through all the challenges of life. This kind of romantic experience is even more powerful when there's a tiny element of risk. This creates a stronger bond with your man because it's indirectly saying, I would do anything for you. I'd risk my life with you as long as we're together. On our honeymoon, Kathy and I, we rented a car and we drove all around Israel. Now, driving in Israel is terrifying enough, but for 2 weeks, we actually did something scary every single day. We drove up a mountain with these narrow, windy roads. We went on a rickety gondola down a cliff off the Mediterranean Sea. We explored underground tunnels in the pitch dark. I still think about those moments on that trip. The bond we shared on that trip can never be duplicated. They're meaningful to me. Nothing says romance to a man more than sharing epic adventures in life. Finally, a personalized surprise. Sure, everyone loves surprises, but not every surprise can be seen as romantic. If your man were to come home and surprise you with tickets to his favorite sports team, and you might not even like that sport, that's not very romantic. For a true romantic experience, you need to create a personalized surprise that's made and tailored just for him. This shows that you're thinking about him and that you get him. You know what would make him happy. This could be anything from agreeing to go on a camping trip that he's been really planning and wanting to go on, or getting him a puppy that he's been wanting forever, or just planning a surprise visit when you live far away and you know that he's been wanting you to come visit. Doing this is going to make him say to himself, wow, she gets me. And that touches that primal desire all humans have, which is wanting to be understood and accepted. We often get ideas of what romance looks like from TV and movies, but those aren't real. Real romance is unique and individual to you and your partner. It's about embracing what makes your partnership unique. It's about uncovering what makes the two of you different from everyone else and using that to make your bond even stronger. That's why finding a man that's a perfect fit for your personality is essential in creating long-lasting love. And if you want to learn a step-by-step system to meet and attract a high-value man into your life, then click the link below in the description right now and watch my short presentation about my new program, Matchmaker Secrets, which is my training that teaches you exactly how to meet the highest quality of men. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you taking the time. If you found any of this helpful, hit the thumbs up, like button, and share it with a friend that you might inspire. Thanks again. Be well.